You clicked on this video for a reason: to fix ARC Raiders getting stuck on the loading screen so you can actually get into the game instead of force closing it over and over. I got you. So stick with me. I'll show the fixes that work in 2026 and the ones most people skip. First, restart the game and your platform launcher. ARC Raiders is sensitive to bad session handshakes, especially after updates. Fully close the game, exit the launcher, reopen everything. Then try again before changing any settings. Next, check for version mismatches. Make sure ARC Raiders is fully updated on your platform and that no background download is paused or stuck. Even a partial update can trap the game on the loading screen with no error. Now, fix overlays and background hooks. Disable Discord overlay, Steam overlay, Xbox overlay, and any screen recorders. ARC Raiders can hang during world loading when an overlay hooks too early. Close non-essential apps before launching. If you're on PC, verify game files through your launcher. Corrupted or missing files are one of the most common causes of infinite loading after patches, and verification usually fixes it in one pass. Network issues can also cause this. Restart your router, disable any VPN, and make sure your NAT isn't set to strict. ARC Raiders relies on stable matchmaking connections, and unstable routing can stall the load indefinitely. Pro tip: if it gets stuck for more than a minute, briefly disconnect your internet and reconnect it. This forces a session refresh and often drops you straight into the game instead of looping the load. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your platform and exactly where it freezes, and I'll help you fix it.